Namaste and welcome to a new video. So many of you have been asking where I have been. First of all, thank you for making me feel so loved in this vast world of internet and glam. It is such a comforting feeling when people you haven't met still care enough to ask. Well, life on the surface was moving at the same pace. I was doing my usual DIYs, organizing the corners of my house, but soon I realized that after being away for 3 months, the home needed love again. Like every corner needed cleaning, repairing, or reorganizing from scratch. So I had to do it all. There was no skipping from this. And while I was at it, the little celebrations kept happening in between. One day we went out to a cafe for a lunch. This was just before our movie. We really liked the place, the decor was really aesthetic. But that said, the food was so disappointing. We absolutely didn't like the food at all. Just few minutes before the food arrived, we were thinking of doing a birthday party celebration here, and just after the food, the whole idea was dropped. And on our way back, we saw Ganpati Bappa being welcomed into Mumbai, and the energy and the color and the sound, it is something only this city knows how to do it. During this time, I got few pieces made, like the top part of our mandir and a single folded bed. I'll share more about it later in some other video, but this is how this mandir design turned out to be. That same weekend, a dear friend visited from Gurgaon. She was here for her work, but we managed to spend a beautiful day together. We went to Siddhivinayak temple, then headed for a lunch. The place was very nice and cozy. Lovely interiors, I must say. And we have been to their Bandra outlet too. But this one felt more spacious, calmer somehow, and the food was also nice. Though I must say, my favorite vegan spot still remains the Greener Cafe. Nothing comes close to it. Also, if you have any recommendation for a vegan or a gluten-free restaurants that you know around Mumbai, do share them in the comments. I would love to explore them. officially Ganpati Bappa's celebration time, and let me tell you, oh my god, Mumbai truly knows how to celebrate this festival with unmatched joy and devotion. Like each year, this year also, our community welcomed Bappa into our society, and we had a very cozy celebration for 5 days. It was such an amazing feeling when the entire society people got together for a community aarti and puja rituals. Having experienced both Ganpati in Mumbai and Durga Puja in Kolkata, I can say one thing that I deeply admire: the way women feel happy and celebrated and safe in public spaces in both these cities. There is such warmth and respect in the air, it always moves me. Sometime after Ganpati festival, I started feeling not quite myself. Extreme tiredness, restless sleep, lots and lots of hair fall, and twice I had very high fever. Recovery was slow and frustrating, and after some tests, I actually found out that my body was not doing well at all. I had severe vitamin deficiencies that needed absolutely urgent care. But during this time, Diwali was also approaching, and I really wanted to decorate my home. And slowly, as I took deliberate break from everything, my energy began to return. I managed to work on top part of the mandir earlier, but the inner sections was just in time ready for only Diwali. Finally, I got everything ready for Diwali and I was able to organize and decorate my temple. And I'll share everything how I decorated and organized everything in my temple in my next video. This year has truly been a roller coaster, so many changes at once, and these health issues, they were just a gentle reminder to me to pause, to slow down, breathe. Now that everything is finally finding its rhythm again, or at least I like to think or believe so, and I am so ready to be back on YouTube with calm heart and so much fresh energy. I hope you enjoy these next few videos, especially the ones that I filmed around Diwali. So I'm excited to share all of them with you. Until then, Take care. I'll see you in the next week with a new video. Shubh Deepavali to all of you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could afford? Even if you've never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take